Health Association, also Centerville Presbyterian Church, Fremont. And both TCHA, Taiwanese Community Health Association, and Centerville Presbyterian Church are two official sites with CAPS program, which is a volunteer program work with City of Fremont to serve the Tri-City area. And of course, in the beginning, it's designed to serve seniors. However, seniors still part of the big families. So many topics, not just work for seniors, also provides lots of tips to the family that the community can live a better life. And then we feel very honored and thrilled to have so many providers who are willing to donate their service, their time to support the community. First of all, I would like to introduce the registration table, which is hosted by Centerville Presbyterian Church members, Connie and Sue. Sue is also a CAP ambassador, and we have a high schooler volunteer. Thank you, and I forgot his name.
Eric.
Eric, thank you, Eric. And then first table, we have FDA. They provide lots of good information and then how to prevent disease, how to stay healthy, and the table is hosted by Mary Ellen Taylor. And the second table next to FDA is from Unlock. Unlock is a great senior health center, and then it's Frances and her co-worker. They located in Mission Boulevard in Fremont. They also have another one in San Jose and also have one in San Francisco. And then get more information if you would like to learn about their service, which is really great, Frances. And the third table is provided by Brazil Health, and then they are bilingual. They provide services both in Spanish. They educate people, diabetes, many health issue related information and good service. And then it's a non-profit organization. So please have your time and stop by, get as many tips as you like. And then we have home helpers. Home helpers, they provide home service. And it's Robert and then his co-worker. And Robert is also a trained CAPS ambassador. And we are very happy that we can have someone who is a professional, also has the big heart to serve the community. And we have Tri-City Health Center, and they located in Fremont, Liberty, which is not far away. And I feel social security. So social security, they also provide tips and information, and then they have goodies, so you don't want to miss it. And the next one is Vitas. Vitas from June from Vitas. She is one of our guest speakers this afternoon. She will share about two topics, events directive and hospice care. So she is very knowledgeable. She has lots of information that you don't want to miss. And this afternoon now, we're going to start our program, and I would like to give the time to Mr. John Shea, who is the site coordinator from Taiwanese Community Health Association.
Thanks, Audrey. Welcome, everyone. This event actually is co-sponsored by Taiwanese Community Health Association and also the church here, Centralville Presbyterian Church. And we try to put up a program, whatever the community they feel is needed, and then we try to provide you more information. Hopefully that will help you. And this afternoon, because we don't have that as we expect, it could be because the weather, we don't have so many. And we originally designed had two space. Okay, one is the main hall here. The other one is the other room. We can do the translation in Mandarin. So it just bring everyone together here. We have the Cornelia to do the proper translation at the front, so everyone can sit here, so you won't miss it anyway. And since we are a little bit behind, but we catch up for all the program as we planned. So now we start the first topic. Let's welcome Sue Han from the ICAP.